A very good morning to my dear students. So today we are going to start with the next topic from this chapter, synthetic fiber and plastic. And the topic for today's discussion is what are plastics? What are their characteristics and different types of plastics? As we all know that in our homes we are having so many articles which are made up of plastics, whether we are having any buckets or we are having any toys. So in our daily life the usage of plastic is too much, and we are going to study about these plastics in detail. What is plastic? It is also a polymer. As we discussed earlier, plastics or the synthetic fibers, they are made up of polymer like the synthetic fiber. Polymers that are made up of monomers, and like for example polythene, जो polythene bags हम use करते हैं, that are actually a polymer, that is actually a plastic, and they are made up of a monomer. That monomer is ethene. I discussed with you now, that is polythene is a polymer which is made up of a monomer. Monomer क्या होता है? They are the repeating units. सो पॉलीथीन में क्या रिपीटिंग यूनिट है? जो लॉन्ग चेन ऑफ इथीन से बनता है, दैट इज पॉलीथीन. इन प्लास्टिक मोनोमर्स हैव टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ अरेंजमेंट. टू डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट क्या है हमारे मोनोमर्स का? इसमें लाइक पॉलीथीन में कौन सा मोनोमर है? इथीन. और इनमें अरेंजमेंट किस तरह से हो सकता है? वेदर इट इज़ अ लीनियर और इट इज़ अ क्रॉस लिंक्ड. लीनियर में आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे कैसे है? दिस इज़ द मोनोमर, these are the monomer. इन monomers को हमने कैसे combine किया है? they are in a straight line. Whereas in the case of cross-linked arrangement, the monomer units are one above. There are two. You can see the difference here. They are having the cross link. They are attached with each other. Whereas in the linear, they are not attached with each other from the lower side. Okay. So I have written here there are thermoplastic and thermosetting. So we are going to discuss about them in detail in the next video. What are that? Some plastic articles bend very easily and while others are not going to be. कुछ प्लास्टिक बॉटल है, लाइक उसके अंदर अगर हम हॉट वाटर ऐड कर देते हैं तो उसकी शेप चेंज हो जाती है, स्मॉल हो जाता है ना वो प्लास्टिक बॉटल. दैट मीन्स उस प्लास्टिक को, उस टाइप के प्लास्टिक्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? थर्मोप्लास्टिक्स. What are that type of plastic which are going to change the shape by heating? So that is thermoplastic. So we are going to discuss about their characteristics. First is they can be deformed very easily. They can be remolded into various shapes by heating. हम अगर उनको heat करते हैं तो we can have the various shapes. They are very soft, weak and brittle in nature. They are consisting of what type of monomers? They are having a linear chain. I discussed with you now what are linear chains. Like this, they are having the monomer units which combine with each other. Is it clear? They have low melting point because वो कम टेम्परेचर पे ही हम उनको क्या कर सकते हैं? मोल्ड कर सकते हैं. They have low tensile strength, that is they are not able to bear the weight. For example, like the polythene or the PVC. Polythene bags we use, and the PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. These type of plastics are thermoplastics. Is it clear? So the next type of plastic is thermosetting plastics. What are thermosetting plastic? That was thermoplastics. ये ऐसे plastics हैं जो जिनको हम दोबारा से they can't be remolded again. They do not become soft on heating. उनको हम remold नहीं कर सकते. They are very hard. They are strong. They are non-brittle. And they are consisting of what type of polymers? They are having the cross-link polymer. How the cross-link I showed you in the previous video. They are having high melting point and they are having high tensile strength. And the example of such type of plastics is they are the bakelite or the melamine. Bakelite is that is a poor conductor of electricity, so they are used in making the इलेक्ट्रिकल स्विचेस और द हैंडल ऑफ यूटेंसिल्स. कुछ बार ऐसे पैन्स उनको हम हाथ लगाते हैं उनके हैंडल्स को, लेकिन वी आर नॉट फीलिंग एनी heat or they are not feeling warm. That is, they are made up of the plastic which are thermoplastics. The other plastic is melamine. It resists fire, so it is used it is used for making the floor tiles, kitchenware items, or the fabrics, or the uniform of firemen. They are made up of which type of plastic? That the melamine, because they are resisting the fire. So let us discuss some characteristics of plastics, that our plastics doesn't get rusted. लाइक अगर हम आयरन कोई आर्टिकल है वो क्या हो जाता है, रस लग हो जाती है ना, उसको जंग लग जाता है, बिकॉज वो किसके साथ रिएक्ट करता है, इट रिएक्ट विद एयर, वाटर, तो उस वजह से उसके ऊपर ब्राउनिश कोटिंग आ जाती है आर्टिकल्स के ऊपर. लेकिन जो प्लास्टिक है इट डजेंट गेट रस्ट, सो इट डजेंट रिएक्ट विद एयर एंड वाटर, सो दैट इज द गुड करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ दिस प्लास्टिक. So they are non-reactive, they are light in weight, they are durable, they are cheap, they are strong, they can be molded into various shapes, they are insoluble in water also, and they are poor conductor of heat and electricity. And these plastics are also non-biodegradable. We will discuss about this in the other next videos.